What you call me after dark, never feel alone when we're apart. And tell me something you forgot.
Smoothie King. You guys just bought Smoothie King, but I didn't because I'm smart and I saved my money.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, aside from the fact that Jonah almost got in a car accident, and he's going again. Oh my gosh! Aside from the fact that Jonah almost got in two car accidents. No, you're not. He saw that Wendy's has $1 fries, so he wants to go there. So I do get real food. Yeah! Good morning.
Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Baking pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake.
Time to go meet Jonah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready for another hike?
I am. Are you ready for another hike?
Absolutely.
Because I'm ready for another hike. I made a friend. So we are here. We have walked from here. And we need to go here.
Nice.
8 mile round trip.
Out 8 Mile. All right.
8 mile road.
Guess we better start.
So back here, it's pretty bright, but over here, rain is starting to fall, and we're not even halfway up.
Nope.
And
Nothing on the forecast.
nothing on the forecast, but big, dark unhappiness. And I don't have a raincoat.
It's starting to rain. We're trying to make it to a shelter. Safety. Yes, we found it. All right, we made it to that shelter and we sat in there for probably like 20 minutes while the rain passed over. But there were 2 through hikers in there, which means they're doing the whole Appalachian Trail. And one of them was kind of half sleeping and resting, but the other guy was he was 60?
But yeah,
He was 60, and he talked to us for a long time about what it's like to through hike the Appalachian Trail and his experiences in life. I didn't want to film it because I kind of felt like it would ruin the moment, but that was really cool. I love meeting new people, especially when they're doing something so significant like that.
We made it.
To the next part of the trail.